Needing routine maintenance or a routine repair done to your commercial fleet vehicle? Look no further than Bayway Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram right here in Pasadena, Texas. Our staff is fully equipped with knowledgeable and quality service managers with 32 years of experience and ASE and Master Certified Fleet Technicians with 20 years of experience. Not only that, but our convenient pickup and delivery service with same-day diagnostics allows us the ability to provide quality maintenance and repair services and enables fleet vehicles to avoid disruption and unnecessary expenses in a timely manner. Come see us at 4000 Pasadena Freeway at the corner of Beltway and 225 to see why our award-winning service department is the most qualified in the city to take care of your commercial fleet needs.